Good morning students. So we talk about intrusions, intrusion detection and prevention systems. First we know about what is intrusions. Intrusion is a set of action aimed to compromise the security of whole network. It will done by the intruders. What is intruders? Suppose we have a home, and someone comes in the home without any prior notice, without any authenticity, without any authorization, and come at home and live it there. So we call them as an intruder. And these intruders do intrusions that come to the home. A set that is explained in a definition, a set of action aimed to compromise the security goals that is known as integrity, your confidentiality, your availability, and computation of network resources. What is intrusion detection? The process of identifying and responding to the intrusion activity that is known as intrusion detection, which means that for intrusions, the intruder do what steps to come in that network or home, that is known as intrusion detection. So, next question was that how to prevent intrusion. Extensions of it with exercise of access control to the computers and protect from the explanation. That is example for intrusions. Okay. The next elements of intrusion detection is primary assumption. System activity are observed. They observe the system activity, what exercise it will do to do the intrusions. Normal and intrusion activity have distinct evidence. Second was component of intrusion detection system. From an algorithm perspectives, features capture intrusion evidence. What is the intrusion evidence? Suppose that we have come, someone has come at your home. What is the behavior? How they come? Where from they come? That is the intrusions evidences. Model features capture intrusion evidence and models piece of evidence together. From a system architecture perspective, various components, audit data process, knowledge, decision engineer, alarm generation and response. These are the components to find the intrusion detection systems. This is the diagram for intrusion detection systems. In this we see that audit report, components of intrusion detection. Audit reports comes the audit data preprocessor that perform the activity, form active data that is designed in calculating for detection. Detection engine depends on the detection model, what type of detection model we are using, how we can detect what is the steps for that. In next slides we see the steps for detection models. After detection models, it alarm the engine and take a decision to perform some actions such as alarming of wireless. This is the commonly the example was that in banks there is a bell which is ring on the which is ring on the police stations, and the managers press the bell and the person in the police stations get that message or alarm on that police station that during the there is some intrusion in the bank. This is the basic example of intrusions. Decision table are the major impact in which we see that an action and reports will be given in this. What is intrusion detection approaches? Intrusion detection by the help of modeling feature that a vision extracts from the audit report. What is the audit report? The audit report, suppose in system some intruder has come. There is some system logs we can find that system logs what is the step of that, while what task is performed, what task is performed in the computer, which is done by you or which is not done by you. That task not done by you, we can surveillance that thing and take that intrusion come with the help of these things. Second was analysis approach, piece the evidence together. We find some small evidence and collect them and find that what is the signature behavior of the intruder and how we can use that things. After that, deployment, network model or host model based. After that, development and maintenance and tooling, expert knowledge, learn based on audit report. We take some help with some experts, and they take that, they told us that this is a method by which it can be done performed. What is a misuse of detection? There are some intrusion patterns by which we can define what type of intruder it is, what is the purpose of that intruder. This is done this activity, and intrusion matter we match that pattern and say that this is done by intruder or not. For the prevention of intrusion, we uses these intrusion patterns to prevent our systems, and with the help of that we can use the things, we can catch them. This is the anomaly detection technique. Any problem in the relevant high faults, we check that things and get the points. This is network model, and suppose there is a computer of a network packet where these different type of network working. So then the network packets, the intruder attack on this. With the help of this, it can go any three of between them. Suppose this is a bank A, bank B, or bank C. So we have to prevent firstly this place to prevent other places. These are the key performance metrics in which we see that the things. Next slide. Host-based IDs. IDS is also known as intrusion detection systems.